Holi is the festival to go crazy and indulge in some cool fun. But I always see lots of patients post-Holi with damage caused to their skin, hair and nails. With some little preparedness, you can easily beat the after effects of Holi on your skin and hair. Hi, I'm Dr. Jyoti Gupta, consultant dermatologist, and you are watching me on Femina.in. Most of the colors, including dry gulal as well as wet colors, are loaded with chemicals including heavy metals. They collect over your skin and hair and cause irritation. Since Holi is played outdoors, sun exposure can increase the damage by making your skin dry, dull and tanned. Hair and nails can become extremely dry and fragile and can easily go into the phases of breakage. So your preparation for healthy skin begins before Holi. 3 days before Holi, you should stop any skincare regime containing depigmenting or exfoliating creams. You should not get any waxing, threading, facials or skin treatment in this period also. The first step for skin preparation for Holi is to apply a thick layer of moisturizer and a good waterproof sunscreen with SPF of minimum 30. You can also apply almond or coconut oil. When colors are mixed with water, they tend to settle on your skin or seep in through open pores. Remember to apply oil or moisturizer behind your ears, between your fingers, where colors gravitate the most. This will make the skin greasy and prevent the colors from settling in deep. Also apply petrolatum jelly on your lips, around eyes and eyelashes. It is very important to apply a good coconut-based hair oil over the length of your hair as well as massage your scalp thoroughly. You can use other hair oil like jojoba and castor oil, which act as a protective covering layer to your hair. If you don't like using hair oil, you can apply leave-on conditioner or hair serum on the hair. It will help to clean your hair easily when you wash off the colors. Apply dark color nail paint to avoid staining of your nails. Remember to wear dark color clothes and keep yourself covered so that there is minimal contact between colors and your skin. Do not wear lenses while you are playing Holi. Herbal and natural colors like turmeric, tea leaves, henna, marigold flowers can be a very good choice for playing Holi as they don't harm your skin much. Make sure you keep yourself hydrated and drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water on that day. This will help in beating the heat during the Holi festival. After playing Holi, the first step to get rid of Holi color is to let yourself be dry. Clean your color body with cleansing milk or oil. Wipe off with moist cotton wool and then go for shower. Do not use hot water as it can cause excessive dryness. Do not use any harsh scrubs or detergent soaps, which many people do to get rid of Holi colors. The use of excessive soaps or face wash on the skin must be avoided as they are alkaline in nature and applying them will only cause dryness. In fact, home remedies such as mix of besan, curd, turmeric and honey should be used to clean your body. Moisturize your body immediately after bath to avoid any skin damage. It is advisable not to use scrubs, lemon, loofahs, exfoliator or bath salts for at least 48 hours after playing Holi and try not to go out in the sun without sun protection. Once the color has faded a little, get a hydrating Medifacial to moisturize your skin, which will help you get back the non-Holi look. Use natural hair mask once a week before washing your hair. If there is a continuous itching or there is a rash, redness or any other allergic reaction, consult a dermatologist as soon as possible. As a healthcare worker, I would advise and request all of you to take due precaution in this COVID era. Try to spend this time with your near and dear ones and avoid large gatherings. Have a happy and a safe Holi.